Hello friends, this is Vivek Kumar Anand. We are continuing our series on the penetration testing right now. Okay, we have discussed a few lectures based on the penetration testing. We have discussed what is the penetration testing, what are the types of the penetration testing, what how we do the penetration testing. Okay, in the last lecture even we have discussed the basic vulnerabilities based on the OWASP top 10 and the sense 25. So today we will demonstrate on the OWASP top 10. Okay, I'll try to demonstrate the one vulnerability, that is A1, because OWASP has 10 vulnerabilities, so I'll cover those vulnerabilities in each of the lecture. Okay, so like in the last lecture we have discussed how we will install the Kali Linux and the OWASP or the Metasploitable 2. If you are very new, then please follow my lecture series. So let's go to the practical side now. Okay, so here is my virtual machine. This is my Kali Linux. Okay, so let me turn it on. Okay, so okay, this is working. Okay, then let me, I hope, let me okay, guys, this is my second operating system, that is a Metasploitable 2. Okay, let me show you. This is a Metasploitable 2. Metasploitable 2 is actually Linux based server. Okay, that is a vulnerable machine. It means this machine is having some kind of vulnerabilities and we need to exploit those vulnerabilities. Okay, so I'll demonstrate you like what are those vulnerabilities presented in this virtual machine. So let me show you first what is the IP of this Metasploitable machine. That is a Linux machine. You can see Metasploitable to Linux. That is actually Linux machine. Let me turn it on. Okay, it's in the sleep mode. Wake up. Okay. Okay, so let me show you IP of this machine first. So if config, okay, so you can see the IP. IP is 10.10.1.14. Okay, so now I'll open this server. Okay, so here we go to Kali, then we open the browser. Okay, so here I am putting the same IP 10.10.1.14. okay, so this is the Linux server only, it's running. Okay, so you can see Metasploitable 2, right? It is has some warning, never expose this VM to an untrusted network. So don't actually open this virtual machine on your physical machine. Okay, always try to run it on the virtual machine only. So I'll use today Mutilide. Okay, so open the Mutilide. So here you can see OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities are mentioned: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 to A10. Right? Actually, these OWASP are released by the OWASP only. Okay, so you can download even OWASP from the official OWASP website or the sourceforge.net website. I'll put the link in the description. Okay, so today we will concentrate on the first, that is the A1. A1 is injection. You can see in the injection there are many vulnerabilities. Now SQLI extract data. Okay, SQLI extract data, then bypass authentication, insert injection, blind SQL map. So today I'll discuss first one, SQLI extract data. Okay, user info. So it's like how we can access the user info without knowing the username and password. Okay, so actually it is a demonstration like how you can even try to hack the actual websites. Okay, but this is not the actual website, it's based on the Linux server. Through the Linux server I'm like accessing this website. Okay, this is Mutilide. Actually this is intentionally vulnerable so that you can practice your skills. Okay, so here you can see name and password. So if I'm putting some name like my name Vivek and I am putting some password XYZ, so will it run? Let me check. Okay, okay, so you can see authentication error, bad username or password. It means we are not knowing the username or password. So what I'll do, I'll use some skill like I'll use some SQL injection tool. Okay, so this is what I'm writing. So you can see single comma then one, so this is logical connection, logical basically logical or gate, right? You know that one will always be true, right? So this is like it will compare in the database that this one will always be true, so definitely it will compare in the database like this condition is always true. So whatever the username or password are stored in the database, it will fetch out. Okay, if I'm putting now password xyz, anything given. Okay, so let's see. It can show us no, there is some problem. Okay, no problem. Problem is always a solution. Then what is the problem? Okay, xyz. Okay, still okay, no problem. So what I can do, a slash one. Okay, okay, I was missing this. Okay, so now I'm running this, still it is having problem. So you can see when I'm putting the password xyz, right, not something else, because password is not visible to you. So even you can see there is some space error, one goes to space hyphen. Yes, I hope it will work now. Let me copy this. Okay, okay, so okay, even 3 attempts, still it fails. All right, so what we can do now, one. Okay, so even I don't know why it's not working, even xyz. Okay, it's saying okay. So notice one more thing. If after putting some like these type of strings, or after putting some wrong password, if you are getting these errors, okay, like line number 126, code number like this, so even you can say this website is vulnerable to the SQL injection, definitely. So you can try your SQL injection skills. Okay, so let me try now if I can be succeed. I don't know what's not happening. Okay, okay, let me show you then this one. Okay, again this one also it is same, 1 equals to 1. Okay, here I'm using or means I'm just comparing with the blank string. Or condition, you know that one condition should be true only. Okay, so definitely 1 equals to 1 will always be true, so doesn't matter what is here, right? So based on this I'm taking this string now. Okay, so let me fetch out. Yes, this is successful. So you can see username and password are in front of you, even all username and password are in front of you, right? You got all the details without knowing anything. You were not knowing the actual username and password, but still you got this, right? So this is the actually OWASP A1 injection SQLi extract data. So this is like how you can exploit it. Okay, now even we can try one more website, that is demo.testfire.net. Okay, actually it is identical to your banking websites, but still again it is vulnerable, right? So let me try to sign in. I don't know the username and password. I'll put Vivek and XYZ. Okay, let me see if I can success. No, login failed. Okay, so again I'll try to put the same string. Okay, again XYZ. So can we will be succeed here? Okay, let's try. Okay, no syntax error. Okay, one more attempt, syntax error. Okay, no problem. So we will keep trying. Okay, still it's not working. Okay, no problem. What we can do, comma, or 1 equals to 1. Okay, hyphen hyphen. Let me see if it's run. XYZ. Okay, yes, here we go. So you can see without knowing the username and password even we succeed to log in. Okay, here you can see view account details. What are the accounts number? You can see corporate, checking, saving accounts. Okay, so even credit card numbers are in front of you. Okay, so you can select any credit card number. You can you perform the go, and this link will open, right? All the things will open in front of you, so you can see even you can try these skills on some particular live websites also, but don't try to perform these attacks in the Indian website, because some like Indian authority can take legal actions against you. So free food and free bed for 3 years would be yours only, so don't try on the live websites. Okay, that's why these demo.testfire.net is there for like practicing your skills. Even you can better try to work on the mutility. Okay, so this was the first session. This was the first attack, OWASP Trap 10 injection SQLi extract data. Okay, then subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.